gonna draw a lost sock.
Yeah, on an adventure. We hope you're gonna follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. Do you got yours? Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay. First, let's give our friends a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. And they look really funny.
Yeah, this was an awesome lesson.
Yeah, it's one of my new favorites. I hope our friends are really excited to follow along with us. Also remember, don't worry about making your drawings look exactly like ours. Both of ours turn out different, but they're both awesome. That's because
the most important thing is to have fun and practice.
yeah. We're also using markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Let's start by drawing the top of our sock, and we're going to draw it in the center towards the top, but maybe a little to the left. We're going to have our sock walking to the right. Yeah. And then let's draw the back of the sock coming down. And the front of the sock coming down looks the same. We're going to change it. Okay, then for the front of the sock, we're going to draw the toes coming out and around. And then we're going to come over and then connect for the heel on the other side.
As a small sock.
It's for a baby. Then we're going to draw the top folded over, and we're going to draw it a little thicker. So we're going to draw the two sides coming up. Yes, and then the same thing on the other side. And then we'll connect those two lines together. We did it. There's our sock. It doesn't look very lost, and it's not on an adventure. So we need to add some funny things, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with a funny face. I'm going to draw the smile. And our friends could change the funny face. They don't have to draw it the same as us. But let's turn it into a bigger, happy, funny face. Or smile. Yeah. Oh, I love it. That's my favorite smile. You did it. Now, I'm going to draw a tongue just like you. And then let's color in. You don't have to if you don't want to. But, oh, yeah, you could just add a little bit. Yes, that looks awesome.
Since it's a baby, I added 2 teeth.
Oh, 2 teeth. 2 front teeth. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle and another circle the same size. There you go. Those are cute little eyes. And then let's color them in, but we could leave a little highlight. So I'm going to draw a small circle inside first and then color it in. And if we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, for more time. Next, let's draw the arms for our little sock. I'm going to draw 2 curves coming out to the left. And then we're going to draw the hand curving around and then connecting it. Let's also give our sock a water bottle over here. I'm going to draw a square letter U. We're going to draw it down, over, and up. Bless you.
Thank you.
Then up here, we're going to draw curving in, or just diagonal lines coming in. Then let's draw a line coming across the top. And then let's draw an upside down U for our water bottle lid. And then the little nozzle on top, we'll draw a little square. Then let's draw our arm from the sock connecting and holding onto the water bottle. Yeah. Oh, let's also draw feet. If we're going to draw our sock on an adventure, we got to draw it walking. I don't know why our socks have feet, but
feet and legs.
Yeah, feet and legs, and probably socks too, right?
Socks with a sock wearing socks.
Yeah.
A sock wearing socks.
Yeah. Then let's draw the line connecting. And then we can draw the shoe or sock for our sock. There's 1 foot. Let's draw the other one sticking out the front, so it's taking a step. And then we can connect those. And let's draw the shoe coming around and connecting. Let's also give our little sock a backpack for its adventure. So I'm going to draw a line connecting here. We're going to imagine it going behind the arm, coming up, and then back in. Then we can give our sock a little sleeping bag too. We're going to roll it up. So let's draw a squished spiral.
Snail spiral.
Yeah, kind of a snail. Yes, and then on this side, we're going to curve around like this. So start down here, around, and then straight into the sock. Yes, we did it! We finished drawing our sock on an adventure, our lost sock. But we're not completely done.
We still need a color.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match your sim coloring. You could also add a background. That would be really cool. Oh, and maybe some butterflies. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our lost socks and they turned out so cool, all colored in. I especially love yours. I hope our art friends are going to take time to color their drawings.
Yeah, I really like our background.
Yeah, I hope our art friends will add a background too. We did a little trail and some bushes and plants.
And butterflies.
Yeah, butterflies are maybe my favorite part.
Our sock looks like it's been on a long adventure.
Yeah, really long. It's kind of beat up. I even colored mine yellow. It's been on the trail for a while.
That's gross. I also like the patches.
Yeah, we added a couple. And our friends could pause the video to match the same coloring, or
You guys can color any way you want.
yeah, you could change the colors completely.
We hope you have fun drawing a lost sock.
Yeah, we did. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.